going to gather all the materials that we need. Okay? So, yun. So, you have to check dapat, you have to familiarize all the things that na kailangan mong gagamitin. Okay, so let's start sa pagwawash ng infant bottles. Okay, so sabi ko nga, kung ito ay soiled bottle, naririnig ba? Malakas na yung boses ko sa online. Sige. So, kung meron kang soiled bottles, okay, so ano gagawin natin? So, we are going to use a brush bottles, okay? You are going to gather a brush bottle. Ala, basang-basa. Going to remove a soiled milk sa loob ng bottle. Okay? So, dapat gagawin natin ito through a running water. Ibig sabihin, kailangan sa running water natin tatanggalin kung may natirang residue na milk sa loob ng bottle. Kasi kung dito po sa basin natin i-stock, nandun pa rin yung dumi. Tsaka, meron na rin microorganism dito. Okay? So, yun ang isa sa iniiwasan natin na makontaminate yung mga bottles. Okay? Kasi, at contaminated yung bottles, pwedeng madedi ni baby yung bottle. Okay? Na may microorganism. Okay? So, it will cause a diarrhea. Sabi nga natin, that diarrhea will also cause death. Diba? So, hindi natin hahayaang mangyari yung gano'n. Kasi syempre, pag nagkaroon ng diarrhea, nagkakaroon ng dehydration. So, pag severe yung dehydration, anong mangyayari? That will cause death. Kasi yun iniiwasan natin. That is why we are going to wash the bottle thoroughly.
Wash properly.
And properly. And then, we are going to sterilize. Okay, so we have to remove the milk residue through a running water dapat. Dapat mag-flow yung water. Walang nai-stack sa basin. Okay, so we are going to use a brush. Dapat all the way sa loob ng bottle yung paghuhugas. And then, after that, we are going to, of course, the nipples. Sorry. Lilinisin din natin yung mga nipples. Of course, meron tayong brush para dito. Familiar naman kayo dito sa brush na to. We are going to brush this also in a running water. Of course, using a non-scented na soap. So, mabibili po ito sa ating grocery sa sa